How to install PVC Slatwall. Please gather all the necessary tools. Parts included. Step 1. Remove any existing electrical fixtures. The recommended height from the floor is 12 to 14 inches. Step 2. For a corner setup, start at the corner wall and measure down 72 inches from the intended top of a slat wall and mark a line. Create a level line at the bottom of your intended space. Step 3. Using a stud finder, locate wall studs and mark a vertical line along the center of all studs in the installation area. Mark your studs either 24 inches or 16 inches apart depending on your layout. Step 4. Using double-sided tape, attach the end trim to the corner. Step 5. Starting from the bottom, insert one end of the PVC Slatwall panel into the end trim. Step 6. Pre-drill holes into each stud and PVC Slatwall. Then fasten Slatwall section to each wood stud with screws provided. Use a level to ensure Slatwall is flush. Once Slatwall is flush, drill 3 holes on each stud for each PVC Slatwall panel. Step 8. Insert the second PVC Slatwall panel into the first installed panel. Step 9. Repeat steps 5, 6, and 7 to install additional PVC Slatwall panels. Step 10. Align and press in the H-shaped trim into the end of the PVC Slatwall. Repeat steps 5 to 10 for the remainder of your wall.